Hello everyone, this is Hemant Nanajkar, Assistant Vice President, Huron Sales. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. This is Huron simultaneous 5-axis GU5 model with a table die of 500, SK63 spindle with 18,000 RPM, used in manufacturing of high precision die and mold application. Huron Grafenstaden France is a 100% subsidiary of Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. They are into the manufacturing of 3-axis and 5-axis high-speed milling machines, simultaneous 5-axis milling machines with a double column design, gantry type design and trunnion type table design. These machines are mainly used in the aerospace, general engineering and die and mold applications.